Hi, Sam here with VentTabs. This video is going to show you how to remove a vent tab if it's been installed incorrectly or just needs to be removed for any other reason. So the main thing that you'll want to look for is the lip that is holding the tab on and which side that's on, top or bottom. So you can see I've got a BMW E90 tab here, and the lip on the back of the tab is on the top. The legs are on the bottom. So I'll go ahead and install this and then show you how to remove it. So the E90 tab is installed with the legs facing it on top. So I'll just line it up and slide it into place. So you can see it's installed and working. So that means the lip is going to be on the bottom. So I'm going to take a O-ring pick. You can also use a knife or something that would have a sharp point, because what we're going to do is we're going to slide it up there and we're going to pry that lip down until the tab will slide off the louver. So I'm going to just start that pointed tip between the tab and the louver, so it's in there and it's just prying that down slightly, and at the same time I'm going to pull the tab toward me a bit, and you can see it releases and comes out pretty easily. So now, not to say that it will come out on its own. It's definitely snaps on there after it's installed, but if you do need to get it out, it is possible. Any questions, you can email us support@VentTabs.com. Thanks.